to HQ, the Enterprise Hub here in Monksland. I suppose the idea behind this is over the last number of years I've had, and we have all had, people involved in small business that are struggling with accessing broadband, particularly in rural areas, or someone that has a good idea, wants to set up a business, but doesn't have the broadband access to actually get that business up and running. And at the time that we came together, we had a situation where we had high-speed broadband cables here in the Monksland area. We had an abundance of office space, and yet out the road people were struggling to access broadband. The government, in fairness to them, introduced the rural broadband scheme, but I think that failed to achieve its targets in relation to connectivity. The government have now a new phase of that, and over the next 2 years, hopefully, we'll see broadband being rolled out to rural areas. But what happens in the interim, and how can we actually get small businesses up and running, cluster them together so that one can work with the other and hopefully create new innovative businesses out of that. So that was why we decided to come together in relation to this. I initially spoke with Martina Earley of Roscommon Leader Partnership, and she very much encourages to go down this road. And I spoke with Siobhan Begley of Athlone Chamber of Commerce, and on foot of that, the Chamber of Commerce grasped this wholeheartedly, spearheaded this particular initiative. We came together as a committee and established a committee made up of a number of people: Mary Doyle from Mary Doyle Consulting, Thomas Lennon and Liam Fallon of Ericsson, Dermot Horden of Bank of Ireland, Eamon Leahy of Millennium Machinery, Siobhan Begley of Sunnis Healthcare, John McGrath, who is the president of Athlone Chamber of Commerce, and also MMKDA Consulting Engineers. And we put together what our ideas were. We were looking at it from the point of view that there is huge potential connectivity here in this particular location. Not only have you the Aircom broadband here in the area, in some parts of the area, on the old N6 you have a BT cable, and then you have 4 state-owned fibre networks here in the vicinity. And they are the Metropolitan Area Network, which is 20 metres from where we're standing here at the moment. You have the Bord Gosh fibre out the road here, 2.5 kilometres. You have the Irish Rail cable on the railway line about 800 metres away from where we are here, and the ESB network, which is a wireless network just up the road here as well. So we believe that this is an ideal location to try and develop an enterprise hub that is based on the internet. So we, with the support of Roscommon Leader Partnership, we got Orla Casey from Momentum Consulting to put together a feasibility study for us. And Orla is now going to outline